everyone, this is Tori with Krietz Auto, here to show you our 2016 F-150 XLT. This truck is equipped with the 5-liter V8. It is also painted in Ford's most desirable color, the Oxford White. As we move towards the rear, you will notice our Krietz Customs team has done a phenomenal job with this truck. The build includes a 6-inch lift with gloss black fuel wheels wrapped in Nitto ridge grapplers. For more information, you can check us out at Marissa at Krietz Customs. As we move towards the back, you will notice the F-150 chrome emblems, which does give this truck a very clean look. Moving on, the bed is a 6.5-foot bed with a bed liner. Moving forward, you will notice the mirrors are heated as well as power with turn signal integration. Let's take a closer look inside. Taking a closer look inside, you'll first note the screen. With this easy, clean layout for your audio and Bluetooth connectivity. Next, you'll locate the trailer brake control and the 4-wheel drive system located right next to the gear shift. Easily accessible for any time you may need them. Last but not least, the console in this truck is amazing. You'll always have room for all of your belongings. A truck this nice won't last long, so come and check it out.
Hey again, thanks so much for watching the video. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, give us a call at 301-694-4642 or visit us at KrietzAuto.com.